Yo, what is up YouTube? Alright, so today in this video we will be learning how to use variables. Variables are pieces of things that can store data or parts. Right now we will open up a script. Oops. And we will open up this, call this variables. And the way you make a variable is you'll basically put down the name of the variable, then an equals sign, and then what the variable wants to be. So we can put my variable equals, and then we could add a string, and it basically sets my variable to hello. Now, what we could do is we could do print and then my variable. So basically what this will do is it will print hello in the output, since we have defined my variable as hello. So let's test the game here. And right there it said hello. As you can see, it is in the script variables, and it prints hello. We could also do this with numbers too. So let's just say we wanted two variables. And we would make these numbers. So 2 and 1. So we got two variables with two different numbers. If we do print my variable plus my variable 2, it will add 1 plus 2, since we have defined it as numbers. So let's just play. And as you can see, it prints out 3. You could also store data, or parts. So if we wanted, we can store a part in here. So my variable equals workspace dot faceplate. Basically what this is doing, it is defining the variable my variable, and we are looking in the workspace in the Explorer, and we are finding faceplate. So if we print my variable, it should print faceplate. Right there. Perfect. Alright. We could also do colors. Dot color. Or no, we could also do position, colors, or anything we want. I'll just print position. And as you can see, it is at 0, 0, 0. That's just a simple way of doing it. If you were looking inside a group, or you were trying to add strings together, you would do find first child. That will be in another video. With variables, you could also use them as booleans. Booleans is basically true and false. So my variable equals true, and it will print true. As you can see, it just printed true. So if my variable, then basically it will, if my variable, then print my variable. This basically means the same thing as true. If I added a not here, it will mean that is not true, so it is false. So if not my variable, or if not my variable equals true, then variable. Completely spelled that incorrect. So as you can see, if I test the game, it will not print anything. But if I get rid of that not, oops, then it will print true. So this is basically really useful for if you're trying to check something. So let's say maybe I'll go over if statements in a different video. But this variables are just a way to either shorten code. As you can see, we can do workspace.baseplate. And we could also do my variable dot position, or yeah, dot position equals vector3 dot new 0 5 0. I've gone over vector3 in another video, so if you want to learn that, then head over to that video, and it should be pretty self-explanatory. There you go. It moved everything, or the base plate, up to 5y. So hopefully this gave you a basic understanding on variables. They are basically just data stores. And oh shoot. They're basically data stores, and they store parts, they store data, booleans, or anything else that you can imagine. I hope you learned something from this, and have a good one.